We're going live every day in December.
Alright!
Hey, I'm Nehemiah, this is Brooke. We're so glad you're here with us today. Our goal of That Rogers Family is to inspire, encourage, and empower you to do family on purpose.
So last year, we started a new tradition in our family, and that is the tradition of Advent.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first one, Bethlehem.
5 verse 2.
Though you are small among the clans of Judah, out of you will come for me one who will be ruler over Israel.
What? A remote?
Remote and some brownies.
What are these?
What, brownies? Where are we going? Look at the TV.
December 1st was a Saturday, so we were like, let's do something big. It's our family day. And so we went out to CuriOdyssey. CuriOdyssey is a children's museum over in San Mateo.
What is it? Alright, we made it to Curiosity. It was fun.
Every year during the holidays, CuriOdyssey does IlluminOdyssey. And they have a whole glow up party.
I didn't know that they don't always do that.
It's only in November and December.
Wow,
That's
that's
like their
special.
holiday exhibit.
Yeah, it was really neat. They did a good job putting a blow up, like walk through tunnels that the kids can run through, and they light them up, and they give candles like that turn different colors. You walk through all the steps. There's different levels that you can run through. The kids all loved all the activities. They did a really good job.
I think it doesn't matter. You're building the pressure. I see it. You see that? Building the pressure. Okay, Faith, push the button. See how far it goes. Whoa! Hey, you got the red light.
Yeah! What a cool idea! Those highlighters? Wow, Ellie.
CuriOdyssey also has a wildlife rehabilitation and rescue kind of center.
Oh, snack time.
One thing that made me feel really great about this is they have an AZA certification. Only 10% of the zoos in the US get that stamp of approval, so good for you, CuriOdyssey. Keep doing what you're doing.
Here's Mommy's favorite exhibit. The otters. Maybe throw them a fruit snack and see if he'll come over here.
Don't you?
Going back into the water.
I'll swim and say hi to you.
Very long.
That is long, I know, I agree.
Regular cardboard. No, that's hand sanitizer. We don't need hand sanitizer for that. What is it?
Sanitizer.
Oh, you like the hand sanitizer?
Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer?
You want hand sanitizer for Christmas.
And that's sanitizer, also known as hand sanitizer. Remember that special store I took you to?
Hand sanitizer store. What store?
I'm not telling you.
Why?
Why? So I wanted to be a surprise. Hey, Ellie,
What?
what do you want for Christmas?
Hand sanitizer.
That's what you want?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Are we buying it?
We should buy some. What are you gonna buy everyone for Christmas?
Hand sanitizer. That's like me.
Are you ready for your special surprise? Okay, go in that store. Go see if you... I'll walk behind you. You tell me if you can figure out what it is.
What is it? What is it?
It's the hand sanitizer store. Look around. It's in all the colors and all the smells. Hi.
Pink. I have purple. Oh, there's pink ones. Is there pink ones?
Let's find out. Dun, 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 dun.
And you already have food. What is this? Oh, wait, what is this? Unicorn. Mommy, look at, I have a unicorn. Oh, blue. For Daddy. Who's for Daddy and there's a bear. Look at.
I even have little bags you can put them in.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
That was so fun! Yeah. Sticky, you did go ahead and Put them in the bag. Daddy, to Daddy, and then Ellie.
Yeah. How many hand sanitizers did we buy?
Wow! Like hundreds!
2, 3.
Merry Christmas!
In December, there's something called like Vlogmas, and then people do vlogs every single day. But we wanted to try something new and do live every day in December. We don't know why. We're going live every day in December, but we're crazy. We are crazy. I mean, as if December is not hard enough.
As if 3 kids
Oh my
isn't
gosh.
hard enough.
This vlog isn't hard enough.
We want to bring our crazy into your living room every single day in December. So we are going live every single day on both Facebook and Instagram. So if you are just a YouTube friend, you want to go find us on Instagram and Facebook so that you can catch us live every day. And we are trying to really bring value to you during this holiday season. We're calling it Holidays on Purpose, and we are trying to give you tools and strategies to make the most of your holiday season without completely losing your mind.
And so far, it's been really fun to kind of squeeze it in 10 minutes. So it's kind of difficult to catch us live, but you can always watch them, replay them.
Yep, and all the replays are living on Facebook. So if you missed some of the first few episodes, then you can hop on Facebook and see them there.
thatrogersfamily.
We'll see you live.
Well, thank you so much for watching. We're excited about December. Our children are coming. She's coming. We'll see you next week. We'll see you next week.
Come up here and say, see you next week. We're done. See you next week. See you next week. Like that. This time I fell down. I did fall down. Yep, and all the replays. Oops.
I love you, Mimi and Papa.
Oh.
You just made their day.
Curi, you say Odyssey. You ready? Curi.